How to fix message sent before this device was added to this conversation. This message cannot be delivered. If you're getting this similar issue on your Facebook Messenger app, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix it. This usually happens because recently Messenger has turned on the encrypted chat option where it only stores messages once it has been added to the conversation. So in this case, what you want to do first is make sure that your app is up to date. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and then make sure that your app is up to date. Go ahead and simply search for the Messenger app, and then from here, if you see an update button instead of open, just update the app. The next step is to head over to your app info. Long press on the app and then tap on the I button. Now once you land on this page, all you need to do now is head over to storage, and then you're going to have to clear cache. Once you've cleared its cache, you can simply go ahead and force stop the app to restrict any background activities. Now tap on OK, and the app will be stopped completely. And from here, you're going to head over to battery usage and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Then just go ahead and give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. And you will be able to use Messenger again normally. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.